All right, Ryan Breton is here with your full check of the forecast, and sticky out there, and it's only going to get worse.
Yes, next couple of days is going to turn more humid.
Right,
I would appreciate if there was a little hesitation.
Yeah,
Like,
no,
nope,
right?
it's going to get stickier.
Yeah, there's really no question. And then, as I know you heard from Keith, next week looks hot.
Yeah.
We'll touch on that in a minute. Right now in Bangor, the clouds have filled in actually after a pretty nice day in most of central and eastern Maine. In Portland, though, it's been cloudy all day long. You can see that here on the visible satellite. Clouds now advancing in from the south and west, and there are some showers coming in from New Hampshire. These have been slow to move in, but now we're getting some light rain right around the New Hampshire border, and over the next few hours, these showers will be moving east. Wind coming in off the ocean today, that's been scooping up moisture, which is why there were so many clouds over southern Maine. Now they're spreading to the east and north. Over the next few days, we are going to continue to tap into this muggy air to our west and south, and you can see this air mass here, dew points around 70. That's when it feels very humid, and that's what's going to be coming our way. Tomorrow you really start to feel the mugginess, and then by Thursday it's very humid. A cold front comes through Thursday night though, so Friday and Saturday look comfortable, and then heading into next week it turns warmer and more humid again. So if you're stepping out this evening, there will be some showers passing through southern and central Maine. These arrive in eastern Maine closer to midnight, so we should be dry for at least the next 3 or 4 hours around Bangor. Then overnight tonight, lots of clouds. I think we wake up tomorrow morning to a cloudy start with scattered showers and likely some areas of fog and drizzle too. So a damp morning tomorrow. These showers should dry up a little bit though toward midday, and it's just mostly cloudy. We'll start to get some sunshine in western Maine and New Hampshire. This is where we'll warm up the most, where the sun breaks out. But I don't think we'll see much sun at all over the eastern part of the state, where the clouds really do hang on much of the day tomorrow. So cooler there, only in the low 60s. In western Maine and New Hampshire, though, where we do get some sun, temperatures will get well into the 70s and close to 80 tomorrow. Tomorrow night's a muggy night. Doesn't really cool off much. And I think Thursday morning we will have low clouds and fog again. And the game on Thursday will be how quickly do we burn that off. Probably is going to be a slow process east of Portland. So lots of clouds on Thursday for the mid-coast and eastern Maine. But western Maine and New Hampshire, we should break the sun out, and that's where it gets hot. We may get well into the 80s near the New Hampshire border with a chance for a late day shower or thunderstorm. But I think a lot of that action is more likely in the mountains, and then it weakens as it heads down toward the coast Thursday night. On Friday, we look good. Could be a shower to the north, but it's less humid and nice. Saturday looks pretty nice as well. There could be a few showers Saturday night, and that's as more humid air starts to move in for Sunday and early next week. Seas tomorrow 2 to 3 feet with a southerly wind 5 to 10 knots out on the water. So it's going to be turning more humid tomorrow. Again, we'll have some fog, drizzle, a few showers in the morning. The afternoon tomorrow, though, should be drier. Warmer on Thursday, especially in western Maine where we'll see some sunshine. Eastern Maine, though, it's going to be a lot cooler where the clouds hang on. Once that front goes by, we're less humid on Friday, a breezy day, and the weekend right now looks good. There could be a shower Saturday night or Sunday, but I don't think it's going to be much rain. And then at the end of that forecast, you see a 95 on Tuesday.
Yeah.
I think Keith characterized it in a pretty good way. We're either going to be in the heat or not in the heat. It's like no middle ground, but it's going to be really hot for much of the eastern seaboard next week.
If we get it,
Good
we'll
to
know
know.
it.
Yes, yeah, we'll
Okay.
keep you posted.
Thanks, Ryan.
Yep.